Hello everyone. Now, I recently got this package in the mail, and I'm pretty sure it is what I got on eBay. Now, a couple of days ago, I was scrolling through eBay with some of my friends in a Discord call, and we came across some of the craziest looking model trains ever, which is where the video decided to stop randomly recording. So, I'm gonna have to say it again. Basically, a cursed image is basically what I bought. A cursed image is something like goldfish in a cereal bowl filled with milk, or something that's very unnatural and not supposed to happen. So that's kind of what this is in the box. So I will go ahead and resume the video from where I found out it stopped recording. It is a kit bash of 2 locomotives that are not supposed to be kit bashed, but they are. Now, what is in this box is what I assume is the 2 items that I bid on, and I did win, and it said they were arriving in a couple of days. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox what we have in here. Lots of newspaper, packed very nicely. Oh, I see 2 things rolled up. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the first one out. It's wrapped up in bubble wrap. This is how I actually ship my trains from the old house to the new house, so that's very nicely done. Carefully unroll it. Oh, yep. Oh, let's see what this says. Cotton. I don't know. Athearn Custom Kit Bash. Let's see. Athearn Custom Kit Bash and paint runs well. No, what does this say? No white, I assume, due to kit bash. Brass. All right. If you look closely, you can see you can kind of see what the paint is. Now, these are definitely the most unique items I have in my collection. So let's go ahead and I'm not really the best at doing unboxing videos, but let's go ahead and see what's in here. Alright, there we go. Let's see. Oh, ho, look at that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and carefully remove the cardboard between the handrails. That's also very neatly packaged. But this is the most cursed locomotive in my collection. Now, this isn't the only one. There's another one that's in the box. You can see it. I'm just going to very carefully remove this cardboard between the handrails so that I do not damage it. Because we're very nicely shipped and packaged. Definitely will say that myself. But as you can see, this is AWVR 767 from the Unstoppable movie. And this is a Shark Nose 38. That's what it said in the eBay listing. And this is custom painted, and oh wow, that looks nice. It's a Athearn. I believe this to be a GP38, but I could not tell because the paper filter's cut off by this. But that looks beautiful. Look at that. Pristine condition, custom paint job. Let's remove some of this cardboard on the other side of the handrails as well. Nice and carefully. Real quick, and there we go. Very nice. I'm going to set that down on the layout, and I will run that later, but for now we have another thing in here. And I had to bid on this as well when I saw it. LIRR. I believe that to be Long Island Road. I don't know if this packaging was mixed, because this is not what I bid on. Excuse me. Oh yeah, the packaging it was just mixed up. I see it. Alright. Now, here's the next locomotive. Let's quickly unbox this. There we go. Alright, nice and carefully. Alright, now here is another very cursed locomotive. AWVR 1206, I believe this to be a GP40 and a F7A crossbreed, if that makes sense. Look at that. Let's quickly remove this cardboard on the handrails again. I must say, this is very nicely packaged for what it is. These are very unique. Nice and carefully. There we go. Also have some on the back here. Would you look at that? That looks amazing. And there we have it. Here it is. Looks very, very nice. Also from the Unstoppable movie. very nicely painted. So let's go ahead and head over to the layout and give these things a test run. Alright, so I've gone ahead and cleaned the track and assembled a quick test train because I'm very eager to get these things running. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this 767 shark nose. And as you can see, you could just really see the attention to detail put into this model. You have the bell up here and the horn, the decals. You also have some on the back, but nonetheless, let's get this thing running. Alright, so that was a very successful run for the first locomotive. Now, let's go ahead and take this off the track for a bit, and we'll run the second locomotive, which is right here. Got 1206. There we go. Go ahead and set that up. And we're coupled. Let's go ahead and get it running. So, after a routine test run, both of these locomotives are in working order, as predicted. So, let's go ahead and doublehead these locomotives. So, let's go ahead and get 767 coupled up behind 1206, and we'll get a bigger train, and we can see if these two can haul a long train. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, more crash recreation videos, as well as some other things, are on the way as well. I also might be starting up a Patreon page for anyone interested. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.